What up, everybody? What's happening? It's your boy HNIC Roland. Haven't done a video in a while, but I just want to show y'all what I'm about to do. What I got going on here is a salmon. I'm gonna be cooking it with some grapeseed oil. That's right there. First time I'm gonna be using grapeseed oil. This is my first time trying it out to see what I think about it so far. Yeah, I just not too long ago seasoned it, and I'm getting ready to cook it in this pot here. But anyway, y'all, it's been a minute since I've done a video. It's been a while, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Not gonna really talk to y'all too much to death. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the ball rolling. Anyway, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I know it's been a while. But there's been a lot going on, you know what I'm saying, in my life. But I'm gonna, do my very best to keep making videos and for you guys to, you know what I'm saying, entertainment purposes or learning how to, make stuff and all that good stuff. But I'm back. I ain't never left, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started right now. And I got my grapeseed oil ready because I can hear it popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my salmon in, which it's probably not gonna take long. So let me go ahead and get started. Anyway, y'all, as always, thanks for watching. Alright, y'all, so there it is. There go my finished look. I'm about to go ahead and dig in and eat. And once again, y'all, thanks for watching. HNIC Roland is out. Peace and love. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.